The air crackles with anticipation, a palpable energy that seems to electrify the atmosphere. It's not the anticipation of a sporting event, but something more primal, more essential to our very existence. This is the anticipation of food, of sustenance, the very essence of life itself. We're standing at the precipice of a Korean tuna factory, about to witness the transformation of a mighty ocean predator into a sought-after delicacy, revered by many. Tuna, in Korean cuisine, is more than just protein. It's a symbol of tradition and culinary artistry. It's woven into the cultural fabric, a thread that connects generations and brings people together. From casual kimbap rolls to elegant sashimi platters, tuna plays a starring role showcasing its versatility and appeal. But before it graces our tables, it embarks on a journey we're about to witness firsthand, from the ocean's depths to the dining table. The sheer scale of the operation is humbling, a testament to the intricate processes involved. This isn't just a factory, it's a well-oiled machine, a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to harness the bounty of the sea, turning raw potential into culinary masterpieces. The pungent aroma of saltwater hangs heavy in the air, a reminder of the journey these tuna have endured, from the vast ocean to this very spot. Every inch of the facility hums with activity, a symphony of clanging metal, whirring machinery, and the shouted commands of workers, all working in unison. Yet there's an odd silence that blankets it all, a silence that speaks volumes about the focused intensity within, a quiet dedication to the craft. Our journey begins not within the factory walls, but thousands of miles away, in the vast expanse of the Pacific. Here, amidst the crashing waves and salty spray, fishermen brave the elements in pursuit of their quarry. These aren't your casual weekend anglers. These are seasoned seafarers, their faces etched with the wisdom of generations spent battling the elements. Using a combination of traditional techniques and modern technology, they locate schools of tuna, their nets a carefully orchestrated ballet beneath the waves. Once hauled aboard, the tuna, some weighing hundreds of pounds, are immediately prepped for their journey to shore. Time is of the essence. Maintaining the quality of the fish is paramount. These aren't just catches, they are precious cargo, destined to become culinary gold. The air inside the factory is bitingly cold, a stark contrast to the humid docks outside. This is a calculated chill, a crucial element in preserving the freshness of the tuna. Giant steel doors swing open, revealing a scene of controlled chaos. Forklifts zip back and forth, their horns blaring as workers clad in white coats and hairnets scurry about their tasks. The tuna, still glistening from their ocean journey, are carefully unloaded and weighed. Each fish is meticulously inspected, its size, weight, and fat content assessed with an expert eye. Only the highest quality tuna will make the cut, destined to be flash frozen and shipped to discerning consumers around the globe. Those that don't meet the rigorous standards are still utilized, finding their way into canned goods or other processed forms. Nothing goes to waste here. The factory floor is a symphony of precision, a carefully choreographed dance of man and machine. Conveyor belts, like arteries of the operation, snake their way through the facility, carrying the tuna on their journey of transformation. First, skilled workers, wielding long, razor-sharp knives, expertly butcher the fish, their movements swift and precise. Years of training are evident in each incision, each slice separating prime cuts from the less desirable portions. Next, the tuna is whisked away to a battery of high-powered saws, where it's portioned into various cuts. Some will be destined for sashimi, their ruby-red flesh prized for its buttery texture. Others will be filleted, packaged, and shipped to restaurants and supermarkets, ready to be transformed into mouth-watering dishes. The air is thick with the metallic tang of fresh-cut fish, a scent that speaks of the sea and the bounty it provides. Section 5. Guardians of Freshness Technology takes charge. In the relentless pursuit of preserving the tuna's pristine quality, technology plays a pivotal and transformative role. It's not just about keeping the fish cold, it's about maintaining the integrity and flavor that make tuna a prized catch. Once portioned, the tuna embarks on a meticulously orchestrated journey through a series of high-tech chambers, each specifically designed to lock in freshness and ensure the highest quality. First, they're flash frozen, a sophisticated process that rapidly lowers their temperature, halting enzymatic activity, and preserving their texture and flavor. This rapid freezing is crucial to maintaining the fish's natural state. This isn't your grandfather's freezer, this is cutting-edge technology, capable of freezing the fish in a matter of minutes, ensuring minimal cell damage. The speed and efficiency of this process are unparalleled. Next, the frozen tuna is vacuum sealed, a critical step that eliminates any exposure to oxygen, a key culprit in spoilage. This vacuum sealing process ensures that the tuna remains in peak condition. Finally, they're whisked away to climate-controlled storage facilities, where they'll remain in a state of suspended animation until they're ready to be shipped to consumers. These facilities are designed to maintain the perfect environment for the tuna. These aren't just storage facilities, they're time capsules, ensuring that the tuna arrives at its destination as fresh as the day it was caught. The meticulous care and advanced technology involved in this process are what make it possible to enjoy high-quality tuna year-round. Section 6. Beyond the cutting board: tuna on the Korean table. Tuna's significance in Korean cuisine extends far beyond its nutritional value. It's a symbol of prosperity, good luck, and even fertility. During special occasions like weddings and birthdays, serving high-quality tuna is considered a sign of respect and good fortune. From the humble kimchi jjigae, a spicy stew, to the elegant chamchi-ho, a dish of delicately sliced raw tuna, this versatile fish takes center stage in countless Korean dishes. One of the most beloved tuna preparations is chamchi kimbap, a type of seaweed rice roll. These portable snacks are a staple in lunchboxes and at picnics, their savory filling a testament to the versatility of this beloved fish. Whether enjoyed as sashimi, grilled, or incorporated into stews and soups, tuna holds a special place in the hearts and stomachs of Koreans. Section 7. A global affair: the far-reaching impact. The journey of a Korean tuna, from the depths of the ocean to a consumer's plate, highlights the interconnectedness of our world. This isn't just a local industry, it's a global enterprise, with tuna from these very factories finding their way to restaurants and supermarkets around the world. The demand for this prized fish has created a multi-billion-dollar industry, providing livelihoods for countless individuals involved in every stage of the process. From the fishermen who brave treacherous waters to the factory workers who meticulously process each fish, the tuna industry sustains communities and economies across the globe. But this global demand also presents challenges. Overfishing and unsustainable practices threaten the delicate balance of our oceans, making it crucial that we prioritize responsible sourcing and consumption. Section 8. A future on ice: sustainability and beyond. As we stand on the precipice of a future shaped by climate change and resource scarcity, the future of the tuna industry hangs in the balance. The oceans, once thought to be inexhaustible, are now showing signs of strain. The choices we make today, as consumers and as stewards of our planet, will determine the fate of this valuable resource. Every purchase, every meal, and every decision counts. By supporting sustainable fishing practices, we can help maintain the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Demanding transparency in the supply chain ensures that we know where our seafood comes from and how it was caught. And by reducing our own consumption, we lessen the pressure on these precious resources. We can help ensure that future generations can enjoy the bounty of the sea, just as we have. The thunderous silence of the Korean tuna factory serves as a potent reminder of the power we wield. It's a silence that echoes the responsibility we bear. It's a silence that speaks volumes about the delicate balance between our needs and the health of our oceans. The harmony of nature is fragile and must be protected. The future of tuna, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on our collective commitment to responsible stewardship. Every action we take today shapes the world of tomorrow. Let's ensure that the symphony of precision we witnessed on the factory floor continues to resonate for generations to come. Together, we can create a sustainable future.